So hi, uh, if you want to set up the automated responses, what you need to go to do is, if you've downloaded your Facebook Page Manager app, just go to the page that you want to set up automated messages, and then go to settings. You'll find them here. So just go to that section and just click on it. You're going to be brought to this page where you then click on settings here. Once you click on settings, if you haven't connected that page to Instagram, just click connect it to Instagram, so that you're going to get all the messages that you that are sent through Instagram. You're going to get them on your page. So all what you need to do is to set up automated responses. Just click on automated responses. You can see them there. Once you click on them, then you can set the instant replies, away messages, frequently asked questions. You can also respond, set how you're going to respond to page recommendations and things like that. Yeah, and you can set everything that you see there. So hope this is helpful and is something that you can go ahead and do. If you want to set up quick replies on Insta, what you need to do is to go to your profile, to your page profile, click on the profile photo so that you can land on this page. So once you are on this page, click on the hamburger icon at the top here. You can see it there. So once you click there, you're going to land on this page. Then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you can find all this information about your account. So click on business. So once you click on business, you're going to see all these information about your business. What you need to do is to click on quick replies. So once you click there, you can set up shopping to put in your product or services, and also set promotion payments if you have branded content and things like that. Then once you click on quick replies, just set them up by clicking on new, right? And then you can set it up. So let me know if you're having any challenges, and I'll be able to help. Thank you very much.